Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Blog number 124. In today's episode, we're going to take a look in a patient's ear who just came from an ear candling session. Yes, you heard me correct. I am doing a wax removal on a patient who just came from an ear candling session. Clearly, it was not effective. As you can see, when we looked down the ear canal initially, they had a wall of wax. We had zero visibility of the eardrum. Now what we are going to do is use the curette to remove a lot of this wax that is pinned to the side of the ear canal. We also talked about the pros and cons, mostly cons, of candling. It is not something that I recommend. Here's my disclaimer. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. This is not medical advice. I've not seen you in my office, therefore I am not providing you medical advice, just some information for education and entertainment purposes. Alright, as I look back down the ear canal, once we pulled all that stuff off the ear canal wall, we get a really good view of the eardrum. Prior to beginning this patient session, we did talk to them about being sent out for microsuction, as that looked a little bit gooey on the other ear. They decided that they just wanted us to use the manual tools to get this taken out. They had already spent their time and money doing candling, and they really just wanted the process completed, and they wanted to see the end results. So as we look on the other ear, once we pull that wax away from the ear canal wall, you can see that it's really attached, and it's a huge skin ribbon. There's a lot of skin attached to this wax, and now we actually see less of the eardrum than when we started. As we get that skin ribbon to release, it's a huge chunk of it you see there, we'll be able to look down the ear canal and get a great view of the eardrum. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and keep me focused on getting this content out. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.